Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy Monday. Today we're going to be doing my Mail Haul Monday series where I will be unboxing packages from the previous week. And I'm so excited to dive in. So really quick before we get started, if you're new, then hello, welcome. Make sure before you leave, you do not forget to subscribe right down below. That way you're notified for future videos from me. I do post 3 times a week. So Wednesdays, Fridays, and then every Monday we do mail hauls. Also make sure you hit that bell notification so you're notified as soon as the videos go live. And like I said, I'm very excited, so let's dive in. Okay, I feel like I'm overly hyper, probably because it's 11 o'clock at night. I have to be at work tomorrow, and it's been a crazy week. But anyways, the first package came from Kevyn Aucoin. And you guys, they sent over a ton of really cool things. They had a new release for some lipsticks, and then they also sent over a contour book, which I'm very excited about. Okay, so first I'm going to start with the contour book. And I actually talked about this in my, I don't know, it was some kind of, not like an anti-haul video, but it was a video talking about new releases and whether or not I thought that they were worth it or if you should get them or just like my opinions on them. But anyways, here is what this contour book looks like. And I have to say, out of all the contour books, I feel like this one is 100% worth the money because it is a lot bigger than most of them. So the first thing you have here are these 2 highlights, and they are gorgeous. So here's what these 2 look like. So blinding. And here they are swatched on the hand. And then you have 3 different contour shades. So you have Sculpting Light, you have Sculpting Medium, and then you have Sculpting Deep. And I feel like me rubbing my hands in these, and I don't know why, it's like made them a little bit weird. You see what I'm saying? And I don't have anything on my hand. Anywho, so let's swatch these and see what they look like. So here are those 3 contour shades. I obviously love the really deep one because I typically like something more bronzy. But nonetheless, they are absolutely gorgeous. And then the very last one is Venice Ombre Blush. Now, I have been using the ombre blushes like crazy. And it really just depends on how you rub your hands or your brush in this, how the blush is going to come out. If you stay more toward the left, it's going to be very rosy. If you stay toward the right, it's going to be a little bit bronzy. So this is absolutely gorgeous. This is perfect for traveling because it is a really nice size and it comes with a nice big mirror, and you have your contour, your highlight, and your blush all in one, so you don't have to dive for like multiple palettes. Does it say the retail? I'm not sure the retail on this, but it's totally worth the money. I think it's like $50, maybe $60, but it's a lot of Kevyn Aucoin products, and Kevyn Aucoin products are expensive. So, all right, next thing we have are some liquid lipsticks. Now, as you guys know, I do absolutely love the Kevyn Aucoin lip glosses. They are so beautiful and I use them quite often. So they sent over 4 different shades. The first shade that we have is this beautiful mauve shade. The first shade we have is called Dolly, and it's a beautiful mauve pink. And I love the applicator on these. Like, they are literally, they're perfect because they're pointed and they're just so soft. They have the best applicator. So there is Dolly. Next we have Nimi. This is like a lavender purple. There's that, very pretty. Kind of reminds me of like Easter for some reason. We have Kate. Kate is a very dark red, like a blood red, I guess you would say, burgundy red. Oh, I really love that color. I actually like it more than I would have thought. I just love these applicators. They're so soft. It's funny because I feel like some companies, like their applicators are just not soft, but Kevyn Aucoin's feels like you're just putting like a sponge, soft sponge across your lips. Next we have Nicole. And this is more of like a light pinky nude. That is Nicole. Last but not least, you have a very bright red. And this is called Julia. I feel like that is like your classic red shade. So yeah, these shades are really pretty. They feel very like a moussey texture. And they do dry down pretty fast. But I don't feel like they're super transfer proof. I haven't worn them long enough to where they are like super done because I've only swatched them on the lips a few times. But thank you so much to Kevyn Aucoin for that package, and I cannot wait to use these products. Okay, next package came from Becca, and they sent over a couple different foundation shades, and I'm so excited to try these out. So this is the new Becca Skin Love Foundation. And so this is supposed to be a weightless blur foundation, and here's what it looks like. This might be a little bit too dark for me. Amber, tan, and olive. I'm trying to think of which one. I think tan is my shade right now. Okay. Yeah. So here's what tan looks like. And, ooh, okay. It actually probably would be a pretty good match to me right now. I just recently got the 24-hour foundation, and oh my goodness, I am obsessed. It is so good. This is supposed to be, I thought it was supposed to be medium coverage, but I mean, put it on the skin. Now, granted, you guys, I do normally use quite a bit of foundation, but I feel like you could make it full coverage. I mean, I don't see any reason why not. It looks really pretty. So I'm excited to try that one out. I have been loving Becca products lately. I've been using a lot of their highlighters recently. And like I said, I've been loving that foundation too. And thank you so much to Becca for that package. I definitely want to try out the different shades. And I'll put this in a first impressions review. That way you guys can see my full thoughts like when I apply it on the actual face. Because sometimes applying on the back of the hand can be a little bit tricky. Because obviously I don't have as much going on my hand as I do my face. So thank y'all so much for that package. Next package came from Kokie. So it says, hey beautiful, have you tried out any of our professional brushes? They're carefully crafted to apply a flawless face. And I have not tried any of them. Ooh, they sent over a bunch. So I believe Kokie is sold in Rite Aid, if I'm not mistaken. I always want to call it Eckerd because it was just Eckerd when I was growing up, but now it's Rite Aid. Okay, so we have, these actually look really nice. This one is the BR600 powder brush. We have a, I don't know, this is called a BR612 sculpting brush. Look how nice these look. I'm really excited to try these. We have a, this one is a BR619 blush brush. This one's nice. Buffing foundation, 618. They kind of remind me like of the Morphe brushes, but like the nicer Morphe brushes. And this is the 620. This would be really good for underneath the eyes for powder. So let me know, have you guys tried these brushes? Do you like them? I'm excited to use them. So thank you so much to Kokie for sending those over. Okay, next package I actually purchased from Tarte. And I'm working on my next big giveaway. So I think I've decided I might keep one of these and then give another one away, or maybe give both of them away. I'm not sure yet. Let's just see how much I like them when I open them up. Okay, so, ooh, this is a 15% off purchase. So out of all of the blush launches, like the blush books or vaults or whatever you want to call them, this one was actually my favorite because I felt like it was the most convenient. Oh yeah, okay, I'm probably gonna have to keep this. So this says, this blush book belongs to Tartelette. And it has like the little gold medal thing at the bottom that says Tarte. And this is like really high quality. Like it's heavy. Oh yeah, sorry guys. I'm going to have to keep this for travel. Now I bought two, so I will definitely include the other one in the giveaway. Here's what it looks like. And you have all these different little shades. And I just think, I don't want this. I don't feel like, I probably should have kept it. Dang it, Danielle. Why'd you do that? Whatever, it's fine. Okay. So here's what these look like. Oh my gosh, they are so beautiful. Now I wish they would have did like a couple different shades, maybe like a brighter coral, you know what I mean? There's nothing like super crazy in here. I mean, you do have Pop Quiz, which is like a bright shade. So these are so cute. So it says Spirit Fingers, Rah Rah, Homecoming, Slumber Party, Pop Quiz, Study Sesh, Team Spirit, Extra Credit, Secret Crush, and LYLAS. I don't know what that means. Am I crazy? I think I'm just delirious. I don't know. But I'm excited. It's super pretty and it has like all glittery and it looks like a little composition bug because it's not so cute. So, oh my gosh. Let me know down below if you guys picked this up. I definitely think this is one of the cuter holiday palettes for this season. Next package came from Summer Fridays. First off, they sent me the cutest little shirt. It says, "Don't call me basic." And then down the side, it says Summer Friday. So I thought that was super cute. And then they sent over their new mask. And this is a overtime mask. It says, the busiest overachievers in the game, your skin cells. They work overnight shedding and renewing themselves. But sometimes, like your desktop, your complexion can get a little cluttered. Perfect for dull or congested skin. Ooh, I need to try this tonight because my skin is congested. So here's what it looks like. I love the color of the mask, like the packaging. And then I also love their actual packaging. I think it's so great because this is almost kind of like a, I don't know, toothpaste container. Like you can squeeze it and roll it down and get all the product out. So I absolutely love that. And I'm very excited. I have their like hydrating mask and I live for that. So I cannot wait to try this one. And thank you so much to Summer Fridays for that package. Okay, next package that you have is from Profusion. Oh, so the first thing I see in the box is like some little temporary tattoos, which are super cute. And it's so cool when they send stuff over because they always wrap it up like Christmas. See, it's like wrapped like little presents. Ooh. Okay, so this is another one of their Pro Pigment palettes. I showed this in another mail haul recently. Super pretty. This has lots of like purpley tones and lots of warm tones, especially for the winter time. That looks awesome. And then this one feels like a bigger package. They literally even have the bubble wrap taped like a present. This says Beauty Superstars. It is a 23-piece set. This would be great. I don't know the price on it, but this would be cool for somebody like maybe for Christmas. You have some blushes, highlights, bronzers, lots of eyeshadows. Then you have an eyeliner. Yes, eyeliner, a lipstick, and a brush. So super cute set from Profusion. And then they sent one last thing. Matte lip liners. Ooh, and very like purpley with the theme of the eyeshadow. So thank you so much to Profusion for that package. Next thing we have came from Purlisse Beauty. So it says September is Skincare Awareness Month. I keep looking at my computer because it says, all I keep seeing is tonight ? And I'm like, who's asked me what I'm doing tonight? But it's an update. No one asked me what I'm doing. So they sent over 3 different products. So the first thing we have is the Purlisse Coconut Oil and Coffee Body and Sugar Scrub. I'm pretty sure this is the one that I tried and really liked. I cannot remember because there's one I tried that was like terrible and I could not even get it out of the packaging. And then there was one I tried that I really liked and I cannot remember if that one was one I liked or didn't. But I'll keep y'all updated. And they also sent over a balancing moisturizer, a Blue Lotus balancing moisturizer, and then the Blue Lotus 4-in-1 Adore Serum. This is an eye serum. So I haven't tried this one. I think I've tried this one before and I liked it, but I'm excited to test this out because I definitely need some eye cream. My eyes are getting a little bit wrinkly. So thank you so much to Purlisse for that package. All right, very last package came from Rimmel. Ooh, oh, like wait, where'd it go? I don't know how to get this out. Okay, here we go. Oh yeah, it's not hurt at all. Okay, so they sent over this palette. This is the Rimmel London Magnificent Spice Edition. I don't know if y'all are thinking what I am, but I'm thinking looks like Urban Decay Naked Heat. Right? Like, don't these look pretty similar? And then they also sent over this Wonderfully Real Mascara. So thank you so much to Rimmel for that package. And you guys, that is going to wrap up this week's mail haul. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, leave me a comment down below. Thumbs up this video. And as always, I love you so very much. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.